Artificial intelligence, or AI, has opened up new opportunities for entrepreneurs and business owners to make multiple sources of income. By leveraging AI technology, it's now possible to create new revenue streams in a variety of industries. One way to use AI to make multiple sources of income is in e-commerce. AI-powered chatbots and personalization algorithms can help online retailers provide better customer service and tailored product recommendations, which can lead to increased sales and revenue. Another way to use AI to create multiple sources of income is in content creation. AI-powered tools can help you generate content ideas, optimize headlines and keywords, and even create custom graphics and videos, all of which can help you attract more traffic and monetize your content. AI can also be used to make smart investment decisions, which can create additional income streams. AI-powered investment platforms can help you identify trends and opportunities in the stock market, cryptocurrency, and other investment vehicles, which can help you make more informed investment decisions and potentially increase your returns. In the real estate industry, AI can be used to analyze market data, identify potential buyers or tenants, and even help manage properties. This can create new income streams for real estate professionals, who can offer AI-powered services to their clients. Finally, AI can be used to streamline and automate freelance work, such as writing, graphic design, or coding. AI-powered tools can help you optimize your workflow, manage your time more effectively, and even identify new opportunities for work, all of which can help you create multiple sources of income as a freelancer. As you can see, AI offers many opportunities for entrepreneurs and business owners to create new revenue streams. By leveraging AI technology, you can improve customer service, create better content, make smarter investment decisions, streamline real estate work, and automate freelance work. So why not explore the possibilities and see how you can leverage AI to create multiple sources of income for yourself?